Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello, I am so happy you stopped by. Sorry I've been a little MIA, but as most of you know, I had my little baby boy on September 20th, so I've been a little busy with a newborn and a toddler. I also have 3 older kids. They're pretty independent and they help me out so much. I'm so lucky to have them. So on this day, I only had time to clean my kitchen. I promise you guys, soon I will have some major motivation for you all. I just need to get baby and me on a schedule. Honestly, the baby is amazing and he's so good. I'm sure I can get a lot done, but all I find myself doing is staring at him while he's sleeping and making those cute little faces. I'm always wondering, what is he dreaming about? One minute he's happy, the next minute he's sad. Let me know in the comments, do you guys ever watch your babies and just think like, what are you dreaming about? Well, enough of me talking. Let's get into the video. I hope you all enjoy.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling.
I also want to thank everyone who wished me and baby well. We are doing great. Labor and delivery was probably one of my easiest. If kids weren't so expensive, I would probably have another one soon. He's amazing and I'm so in love. If you all want to see pictures, you can find me on Instagram where I share lots of baby pictures. I will leave the link in the description box down below. Thank you all again.
I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. 2 heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I am running for you. I am running for you. I am running for you. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. I'll be your light. told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Dance, 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 yeah. Dance, yeah. Baby, dance, 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 yeah. Dance, yeah. Baby. We fall apart, piece by piece. That's how the little things get huge. Just keep on moving through the beat. Don't let them get the best of you. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Dance, 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 baby. Dance, 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 Looking back at the good times before it all went down. Climbed right up on the hillside, a different view of my life. You left me running on and on, but I don't care, would you let me in? You said goodbye like everything's gone, everything that we could have been. But I know you are my liability. Yeah, I know you are my liability. You say that you're sorry. We turn the page and make up. Our broken trust got you haunted. The doubt in you was enough to leave me chasing you on and on. But I don't care, I will let you in. You said goodbye like everything's gone, everything that we could have been. But I know you are my liability. Yeah, I know you are my liability.
Alright, you guys, that is it for today's video. If you made it this far, please leave me a baby boy emoji. And if you're new, I would love for you to consider subscribing and joining my YouTube family. Don't forget to give this video a like. It will help me out so much. And as always, guys, have a wonderful day.
Place that we're in, but I'm your life.